Let's go. Started. So, oops. Where's my trading view? Okay, it's just there. Good, good. Perfect. So last week was a very, very good week for us, guys, with a perfect trade on gold. Gold long from 1806 by limit. We put stop just under the 1799, then take profit. Last target 1820. So it was pretty nice trade, guys. I should put a third target around 1830 because that was my prediction on gold. And last week, guys, if you remember, you can go look at my last trading session. 2 weeks ago, we predict this perfect. I'm gonna miss. I got 10%, so it's still good. It's gonna load this chart, man. What the fuck happened? Okay. Bitcoin is booming, guys. We're making so much fucking profit right now. I think we're making 100 grand on the trade right now. Okay, so why I don't have my analyst? Man, trading view sometimes is so lagging. That's insane. Okay, so we predict gold last week from there, guys. We took a nice long, and that was predicted in this weekly trading session. Then this week we from here by perfect by limit, and I predicted in the last trading session that we're gonna hit 1830. It's a weekly objective. So level are done, level are achieved. Right now we're gonna look for next opportunity. So if we're looking at this chart right now on gold, what I'm looking for is that 1830 is a very, very big supply and demand area that every time we touch, we falling after. So we have multiple opportunity. We're gonna maybe to look to take a short from this area into 1820. It's gonna be a very nice trade, guys. Little corrective trade, very high risk trade because we're gonna trade counter the trend because right now we are a big uptrend. And I can go look to go long after this corrective movement and maybe continue this beautiful upside trend, guys, and continue with another high, which is 1850. So it can be a pretty nice target for 1850. We have nice supply and demand. I'm lagging because I'm on two computers at the same time. I'm gonna close this chart. Okay, sorry. Okay, so 1850, it's a beautiful area to take profit on this if we want to go long from 1820. So we're gonna look for signals over here. Maybe took a short for tonight. We're gonna wait for market, give us a nice opportunity for the signal, but we can look to go long. Maybe gold come back into these area. Okay, so maybe look for gold come back into these area, make a wick into the 61.8 and 78.6 fib, then going along with a stop under this wick just there, so stop loss just there, take profit 1 on the high, then take profit 2 into the other level of resistance, guys. So that can be a very nice trade. We're gonna look at this. Sheesh, Bitcoin is still booming, guys. Let's go. I'm looking for in the next month, we're gonna come back at the high, which is 64 grand. We are long from 36 and 41. We have personal position around 47 too. We holding this into this. We're gonna make like $250,000 if Bitcoin going there. Only trading on NP4. So yeah. That's what I'm looking for gold for right now. So if we have nice confirmation, we're gonna try to take the a little corrective wave, a retest into this area, maybe 1.815 gonna be it, get it, then going along, guys, for continuing this beautiful uptrend right now that we are currently on, and that we're currently trading. And this is with this trend that I made the 12Gs trading gold last week. We long from here and we long from here and we short from here, so we can try a short from here into there and then continue the trend. It will be a very nice trade, and maybe gold gonna just reverse, then we're gonna come back there waiting for corrective movement, then going long, going short, sorry. So we have nice setup incoming, guys. We're gonna wait for them. With beautiful trade on Panyan last week. We for a trade, a classic textbook trade continuing. We trading this uptrend right now, right here. Impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective, going along into the last eye as usual from the 61.8, stop loss below the 78.6, and yeah, because we made a double bottom on the 61.8, wick. We were shorting gold for this corrective wave here, so we can long JJ at the same time. So I'm looking right now for GJ, nothing special. We can wait. We can try to continue this trend. We're currently on the level right now. So we have two levels to look for GJ. We have this resistance area. So if I'm looking more closely, this area just there, we can look at this area. If we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, it's a big supply and demand area that we can pull back into it before going into the sky. I see JJ come back into 153 in the long term, maybe made a wick and reach 153.5, 154 before falling down. Yeah, so what I'm looking for, I'm gonna just look at something. We have trend line like this. We have this. So if you want, guys, to try a short on the 78.6 with the trend line, your stop loss need to be a long-term stop loss, which is like there under the high here, and a long-term take profit. I better like wait for this little trend here to get broke. So like impulsive, corrective, try a short with a short stop loss on the end and shoulders or something like this. I don't like take swing on the 4-hour time frame on the without entering on the little time frame. So we're gonna continue to trade this uptrend here until we broke it and we start downtrending. Okay, so we're gonna try to long from here or from here, and if we broke the low just there and we made impulsive corrective, we're gonna short into the low with a shorter stop loss. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, JJ. For the moment, we're still bullish. We're looking still for hit the 153 area. We're gonna try to long maybe with good confirmation. So yeah, if you have any question, type in the chat, guys. Okay, so GA, I've personally not trading this pair for a long time right now because he's not making what I wanted to for next movement. But this pair is coming still interesting, sorry. So GA right now is in position to, it's hard to predict. I don't really have that much entry point for GA. if I'm looking at my analysis right now that I don't have, we downtrending right now on the 4-hour time frame. We missed a couple of opportunity on short right here. Was a nice short. We never pulled back on this structure when we broke it. That's why we never like trade GA from the last week. On this structure, we never pull back on it, so we have no opportunity on it. If you want to try a trade to continue this beautiful downtrend, next level would be 185, 1.85. Okay, so we have the pullback level right here. If we want to continue this beautiful downtrend, so if we want to continue this beautiful downtrend into 1.85, right now we gap down, but if we make a double top, I'm gonna look with this fib confluence. So yeah, if we make a double top, tap the 61.8, maybe go to the 78.6 before falling down into 1.85. That can be a nice setup to try with nice risk reward from 61.8. Look at our risk reward. It's gonna be like a 1.5, but I better like to take it if we made a wick on the 78.6. We're gonna have a better stop loss and risk reward on this trade. So that's what I'm looking for, GA guys. A beautiful setup like this for continue this beautiful trend that we trending right now into the downside. So if GA have pulled back like this, we gonna be currently in short, and I missed this one here. So yeah. So if you have any question, it's time. Yeah. So we're gonna recap. We can see gold start correcting from 1.830 into 1.820. We're gonna maybe try a short in the next trading session incoming into 1.820 if we have nice confirmation. Then we're looking for a long in between the area of 1.820 and 1.815 to maybe going into the next region, which is 1.850. So I'm looking for this on gold. If we're gonna start selling gold, it will be with a break of this beautiful uptrend. We have GJ. Look, open with a gap. We have two area for GJ. Maybe trying to going along from this pullback right here into 153, or maybe we can push a little more to the downside before going to 153. So we have two areas to look. The first is 151.88 and the second is 151.50. I rather like to take a trade if we're coming back here, but we're gonna look on what it's coming. And GA with this setup right now, we can wait for a double bottom, but I better like to see GA come back a little bit more higher to get us a mirror risk reward trade, because right, if we took the trade from 68.6, we have almost 3 risk reward, and if we took from the 61.8, we have 1.5 risk reward. So that's changed a lot the game, guys, to stay patient and try to take better entry. So on this touch, I'm gonna turn off the live. No prob, guys, when you think. So gold maybe for before London session or London session, and GJ, it's difficult to tell because I'm gonna wait for 150, 150 area. So if it's continue to rise from this level, it's gonna be a long time, maybe not taking trade. And if it's continue to pull back in the next session, as your session, we can look for a London session trade on GJ. So just stay tuned, guys. Take care and have a great day.